Today we're taking a look at the new Orcatorch D920 as it comes in its protective hard carry case. This neat case has a carry handle and side-to-side zipper. And here we go inside. Unless packed otherwise, the first thing you'll notice is the magnetic charge cable. It likes to attach itself to the metal Allen keys in the pocket. But that's no problem. Just give it a tug. Let's put the magnetic charge cable aside. In this soft envelope is something round and aluminium. It is actually part of the optional grip handle. And once we remove the charger from the case, on the side of the charger pocket, we'll find the handle hidden away. With Allen key and screws that come in the net pocket, you can easily mount the handle on the torch and hold it the traditional way, in your hand, if you're not fond of a Goodman handle. As for the dive light itself, the Goodman handle comes pre-assembled. Folded in to protect the lens. Once in use, it's fully adjustable. The side knob will release the handle and allow you to adjust it in position. You can change the height. You can change the width. You can use it with or without gloves. A single LED pushes out a maximum brightness of 5,000 lumens at 6,500 Kelvin. This power comes from the 74-watt-hour battery in a factory-sealed unit. And you get anywhere from 1.5 to 35 hours burn time. The back of the D920 is innovative, with everything protected out of the way in a 1 centimeter deep recess. There are 3 functions here. The LED light that shows you the state of battery while in use. The magnetic charge point, which allows a simple snap of the charge cable so you don't have to open up this torch and risk leaks or flooding. It gets a full charge in 2.5 hours. On the side here is the control switch for the 4 modes and locking, unlocking. It's protected by the recess but easily accessible. A 2-second press will lock and unlock it, so it can't be switched on by accident. Once unlocked, we can cycle through turbo, high, mid, and low modes with a simple press. Even in its 350 lumens low mode, the torch punches out an impressive amount of light. Not that you'll be diving for 35 hours. Now we've locked it and can't switch it back on even when we press down. Let's take a look at the side net pocket contents. In no specific order, there's the brief user manual. An Orcatorch warranty card. The rather long menu-type brochure. And 2 small plastic bags that have the keys and the screws. Put together, this is one excellent, powerful, primary handheld dive light. Strong aluminium construct, only 340-gram underwater weight, relatively compact with battery protection, mode memory function, and many other outstanding features.
At Underwater Explorers, DI Direct, we always try to bring you the best of cutting-edge diving equipment. If you want to find out more about the Orcatorch D920, check out our blog. We also have a review of the D920, comparing it with the Shark Artemis handheld dive light. We're always here to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.